The construction of upgraded facilities for Unit Well 15. A UW-Madison Capstone Senior Design project by Andrew Baker, Hanbing Chen, Elizabeth Ihrig, Becky, Kann, and Matt Mazier. Project background. Since 1965, Madison Water Utilities Unit Well 15 has been a critical water supply for residents on Madison's east side. The recent discovery of PFAS in the soil at the Wisconsin Air National Guard Base at Trout Field poses a threat to the quality of water pumped at Unit Well 15. The PFAS contamination in the soil stems from the extensive use of firefighting foam at a burn pit on the base. The PFAS in the water at the Wisconsin Air National Guard Base will likely seep into the unconfined aquifer and migrate toward Unit Well 15. Recent testing at Unit Well 15 has shown low-level PFAS contamination in the water. Currently, there is no federal or Wisconsin state regulation regarding the presence of PFAS in drinking water. However, the U.S. EPA has correlated PFAS with various acute health concerns, so PFAS regulation is expected in the near future. Consequently, Madison Water Utility has selected Nero Consulting Engineers to provide engineering design services to remove PFAS from the water pumped at Unit Well 15. Below depicts a map showing the location of Unit Well 15 relative to the source of contamination at Wisconsin Air National Guard Base. Public health. PFAS, or per- and polyfluoroalkyl, is a toxic organic groundwater contaminant posting recently identified adverse health effects. PFAS adversely affects the immune system, thyroid, kidneys, and infant development. That being the case, in regards to our project, the complete removal of PFAS from drinking water was prioritized in the interest of public health. The final design selection not only provides clean drinking water free of PFAS, but it also pumps the contaminated water out of the aquifer, effectively cleaning the environment. Additionally, GAC filters are effective at removing other problematic organic compounds, so this design will allow Madison Water Utility to provide clean water from Unit Well 15 for decades to come. Preliminary design options. Design option 1, GAC filters at the Unit Well 15 site. This design option entails constructing a new building at the Unit Well 15 site to house granular activated carbon, GAC, filters. Water pumped from Well 15 will pass through the filters and the PFAS will adsorb onto the filter media. Depicted below are images of the GAC filters and the site plan. Design option 2, Unit Well 15 steel casing extension. This design option involves extending the well's steel casing to the confined aquifer to avoid pumping water containing PFAS. Pyrolusite media filters will be installed at the existing facility to remove iron and manganese. Depicted below is the steel casing extension. Design option 3, drilling a new well. For this option, a new well will be drilled to the confined aquifer to avoid pumping water containing PFAS, and a new facility will be constructed at Mayfair Park. Pyrolusite media filters will be installed at the new facility to remove iron and manganese. In completing this project, our team collaborated with students, faculty, and professionals. We also gained engineering knowledge and skills. Namely, we learned about the importance of analyzing a project from a holistic perspective, considering its economic, environmental, and social sustainability. Final design. The final design selected is the GAC filters at the existing Unit Well 15. Option 1. A new building will be constructed southwest of the existing facility to house the GAC filters. The building will be constructed 12 feet below grade to minimize the building's visual impact. 3 GAC filter units, each containing 2 filter vessels, will be installed at the new building to accommodate the flow of 2,200 gallons per minute. Water pumped from the existing well will be transported to the new building via underground pipes. UV disinfection will be installed before the water passes through the filter to kill waterborne pathogens and reduce the carbon exhaustion period. After UV treatment, water will pass through the GAC filters and the PFAS will adsorb onto the media. Clean water will pass into the effluent where it will be treated with chlorine and fluoride. It will then be routed back to the existing reservoir via underground pipes. Depicted below are two images of the proposed new building.